Hi everyone, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this unboxing video for my new laptop that I just received. It's a laptop from the company called Tuxedo computers, and I'm really excited that I got it. So it's a Linux laptop, and I've been looking forward to moving to Linux as soon as I could. Basically, right now I'm on a Mac, and I've been getting really tired of being on that operating system with all of its kind of proprietary restrictions and all of that stuff. And I really wanted to move to Linux, and now this day has finally come. So I'm really excited to go ahead and take a look at this laptop and start using it as soon as possible. And I'm going to be making a whole series of videos on starting with this unboxing. Then I'll do a video where I'll just turn on the laptop for the first time and take a look at the operating system, and then I'm actually gonna wipe the operating system that it comes with, and I'm gonna install Debian on the laptop, and then I'll start configuring it for myself, like exactly the way I want. So that's my goal for this entire project, basically. So really excited to get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this unboxing. So let's take a look at what we got here. I'm having thoughts on did they get the order right? Is everything okay with the laptop? Because sometimes there are mix-ups with this types of things, and it would be really annoying to have to send it back or something and having it fixed. But hopefully everything is fine. I'm about to find out. Alright, so looks like this, black styrofoam, and looks like there's some kind of case inside, so let me take this out. So there's these four styrofoam corners in the box, packaged really well, so that's really good. Oh, it's not a case, which never saw. No, I never saw anything like that mentioned on the website. So it's just like a box, a black box. So opening it up. And let's see. So there's I guess a mouse pad, which I'm not going to be using because I'm using this Logitech trackball mouse. Hopefully there are drivers for Linux for this thing. Haven't checked that yet, but hopefully that can work with Linux as well. But yeah, so let's see. I guess here's the laptop itself. Let me set that aside for a second, see what else there is in this box. Another layer of styrofoam, and two more boxes, or something like that. Let me just see if that's still in frame. So yeah, not two more boxes per se, but this sort of contraption that basically works like a box. Let's take a look. What we have here. Welcome to Tuxedo Universe. My Tuxedo code, which I'm gonna have to, I guess, censor out in the video, which is going to be more editing work. But I guess that's alright. Okay, so just some information in German and in English. And yeah, nothing really terribly important, but this is a USB drive to reinstall the OS which it comes with. This is nice that they do it this way. Alright, let's see. Probably not going to be using this. Let's see. Some bubble wrap, and there's some stuff inside. I'm not sure what that might be. I guess just some stickers, it looks like. Which, yeah, I'm not a big fan of that type of thing. Something that looks like this. I'm not really sure what it is, but I guess I'll figure it out later. The power cable, let me take that out right away, because that's something I'm definitely going to be using. Right, so I'll just put it back in here for the time being, so that everything is in one place and I can find it easily. Now, let's take a look. Okay, so in the second compartment of this box is just another, or like not another, but the power brick. Pretty big one, but that's expected. This is a very powerful laptop, so that all makes sense. So I'll just like put this away in a semi. Okay, everything fits very nicely, and okay, so mouse pad and this. All right, so let me, I guess, open up the laptop. Quality checked by Tux. Okay, that's good to know. I'm sure a lot of the viewers are aware of this, but Tux is this Linux penguin. This is like the name of this. I don't know what he is, like a character, a mascot maybe, or something like that. But this is Tux. And in that light, the company's name, Tuxedo Computers, makes a lot of sense because they make Linux laptops. So that's a good name for a company, I think. Heard good things about them in the reviews online. And yeah, I really liked their kind of what they do. So looking forward to exploring, or like to starting to use this device. Okay, so here's the laptop. I guess I'm done with the box now, so let me just set it aside. Okay. Let me see. So what I have right now on the table is this power brick with the power cable and the laptop itself. So let me open it up. And well, first of all, I ordered the laptop without any logo, and that was important, so they got that right, so great. I'm glad that that's the case. I'll take this off. Another thing to put back in the box. Let me just do this real quick so that I don't have stuff lying around. I'll remove this plastic from the touchpad as well. I guess I'll also put it in the box just in case. Okay, so mechanical keyboard, that's great. Well, it looks really cool. Let me see, should I? Oh, there's another bit of plastic to remove here on the webcam. Okay, so yeah. So basically here is the laptop. Here's the back side, the left side, and the right side. The front. And this is the bottom, or like, yeah, the bottom side. And yeah, so it looks great. I think, just trying to think if there's anything I need to mention, anything else I need to mention in this unboxing video. Well, everything looks great, very nice. Oh, it just turned on. I didn't mean to do that, but that's fine. So yeah, everything looks good. I guess I'll stop this video here, and the next one is going to be, yeah, I'll just cut it here and then continue just turning it on since it's already turned on. So the second video is going to be just like the first boot up, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So thanks for watching, and yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited about this laptop so far. Everything looks great, and I'll see you in the next video.